Ooh. Ho-ho-ho. We are now out of my tax bracket. They got a private court. You got a private basketball court. Yeah, I guess that you could safe to say not in my tax bracket. Jesus, these are mansions. I found the Missouri 1%ers. God damn. Big, open, beautiful lawns, perfect streets. Their grass even turns greener before ours. My grass is all yellow as shit. Well, let's ride to that water tower. Sometimes you just gotta pick a weird objective and just go for it. No outlet there. But we're sticking to our objective, the water tower. And once I get off the main roads, I'm completely unfamiliar with everything. Damn it, no outlet. Damn. Let's see how close we can get to the water tower then. I love tearing up these residential streets. A couple of kids who were up to no good started playing b-ball in the neighborhood. What up, kids? What's up? Hidden speed bump. Ah, oh, what a lovely crevasse. A nice little crevasse. Oh, we've done it! We've done it! We've absolutely done it! The water tower, I forgot we were going for. It's right here. Wow. Dude, that's someone's backyard. Thing is massive. How do we get closer? Can we get closer? That thing is massive. I think that other no outlet is the way to get closer. We get like specific training for how to deal with dogs on motorcycles. There's tons of kids out here. Give me a thumbs up, because I'm fucking cool. What are you doing? Yeah, I scared you, didn't I? You didn't think I was gonna stop. Can't put me in a box. You don't know what I'm gonna do. Alright. Go in this place, see what it's all about. Might be time to get a new mirror. I think it's gonna work. I think we're gonna get real close to that water tower. Oh yeah. Oh, that's it right there, boys. Oh, my zippers. Cutting my neck. Massive. Well, we did it. Now what? Do 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 do. Oh wow! I was watching a video about the Honda ADV 150, more of a traditional scooter, and I'm not like a macho man. I don't care that scooters are kind of silly and goofy looking. I'll do anything if it's fun. And I'm thinking, oh man, that scooter looks so cool. Like, it's a cool looking scooter. I could take it on dirt roads because it's an ADV adventure bike. I'm like, that looks so fun. And it hit me like, oh shit, I have a scooter. I just bought a motorcycle. Anyways, so here I am. Easy. Alright, this lane in, so we gotta go when we can. Wait for it, go! Meow, sucker! I'm fucking flying. And see, I don't need a lot of power to have fun. Like, this is 110 cc's, and I always have fun every time I ride it. So imagine how much fun 150 would be. Now, I understand that's kind of like it's a never-ending race, right? Like, give me a few months on the 150 and I'm like, I can't wait to get a 300. You know, give me a week on the 300 and I'll be dying to get a 650. I understand that, like, you're never happy, yada yada yada. But I really don't think I will ever get like a 600cc sports bike. The sports bike thing doesn't really appeal to me right now.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Oh boy, this is loose gravel. I gotta be careful. Oh shit, I thought thought there was an exit down here. Well, hey, this would be a good first time to take the sucker off-roading. Off-roading, baby. Here we go. Oh, yeah. She was made to go off-road. No, she wasn't. Please don't scrape anything. The exhaust on this thing's so bulky and big. Don't scrape it. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Messed up my mirrors. Alright, let's just keep on cruising, I guess. I don't know what this way. Oh, I thought this was like a full-on road. Motorized vehicles not allowed. This is tight. I am definitely not supposed to be up here. Oh my god, look at that rut. I don't know if I was peeling out as much as I was just plowing the front tire. Gotta be careful, I don't have rear brakes, so very sketchy. What is this way? No sign telling me not to come here. That's where you messed up. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late night. Oh, big bottle! Woo! Oh, hell yeah, dude. This is the closest thing to adventure riding I'll get in the city. I used to work at UPS. And by UPS, I mean FedEx. No, wait, UPS. FedEx? UPS. I only worked there for a month. My boss was like one of those big ADV riders. He had a BMW, probably like a GS 800 or 1250. He would show me pictures. He was like, "You want to see pictures of my bike?" And I thought he meant like a bike. I thought he meant like a bicycle. I'm like, yeah, sure. I thought he was one of those weirdos that like to like street bike. But no, it was like a full-on adventure bike. He's like, yeah, I'll ride it all the way to Illinois and just find trails to ride on and like spend a whole day just riding trails. Woo! And at the time, I didn't know anything about adventure riding. Woo! Gravel's fucking scary, dude. It just takes a little bit to wash out your front tire. Woo! Oh, what you got here? A little bit of sand. Don't mind if I do. Sometimes all I think about is juice. Oh, look at that driveway. That's like a GTA ramp. Oh, that's a famous house that was on that show. That house was on some like weird house show on Netflix. Crazy. See clip here.
This 3,100 square foot home is made out of shipping containers.
How do I keep ending up going to the same places day after day? I have so many different places I can go, and I end up going to the same 4 places. I don't know, man. Those flat earthers might be onto something.
Checkmate.
Connects right there. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta go for it, you know? Sometimes you just gotta go for it. Am I really hurting anybody? And no. Do I know where I am? And no. Alright, someone's gotta go. Someone's gotta go. Do you know how fucking stop signs work? Sorry. Oh ho ho. Don't mind if I do. What is this? An empty lot? Made for me? Ooh, can I RC here? Look at this nice transition place. I could probably get some air on there. Public safety saw me and he said, "What are you doing?" For sure he came out here because he saw me scoot in here. For sure. I thought it was a cop. I was like, oh no, he's gonna have a talk with me, isn't he? Son, you're coming in at way too high a rate of speed. Successfully, he scared me off the property. You win this time, security guard. You win this time. But I'll be back. I gave him a wave to let him know I mean no harm. I simply want to shred it up in your parking lot. Have I made it back to the place I jumped the curb? I'm back. God damn it. I got tricked by myself again. I didn't even mean to come this way. Idiot. I just get to an intersection and decide which way looks cooler. And I end up going in circles. And do I regret it? No. Officer, I am dodging security, campus security left and right. How much trouble could I get in as a non-resident? Like, I don't even live here. What are you gonna do, kick me off campus? Come on, make up your mind, squirrel. About to turn 30, guys. This summer I'll be turning 30. I'll stop with this tomfoolery and get back to the gentleman's way of smoking cigars and striking my wife. Don't hit people. God, is that the president's house? Good Jesus Christ. Yeah, buddy. What? Making strangers uncomfortable since 1992. This whole neighborhood is just college kids. These are like campus houses, I think. So I've been told. There's no outlet there. I just want an outlet, but there's no outlet. I am on some kind of weird high energy right now. My neck. Send help, please. Send help. Oh yes. I come up here for Taco Bell and get my license, but I've never gone past Taco Bell. Ask yourself, is there an actual reason to drive past the Taco Bell? Not really. You kind of have everything you need at the Taco Bell. I mean, I literally can't think of anything Taco Bell has you don't need. I rest my case.